National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, northwestern Richland County in southeastern North Dakota, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:49 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Davenport, or 17 miles southwest of Fargo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Horace, Kindred, Oxbow, Davenport, Leonard, Christine, and Nixon. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 43 and 59. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.